Alright, going to start with a preferred break today. It's Wednesday. Preferred releases today. BJbox, you're going to try one of these. You're going to ship one. I think Adam Bloomy's going to try 3. Preferred basketball. There we go. Is that it? Yep. They have numbers on them? Yes, they do. Killer. Alright, should have 10 boxes there. 1 to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 11. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 10. Alright, making sure it was 10 box cases. Alright. Here we go, BJbox. You're getting the top one out of the chute. Number 1, which is box number 23. Alright, this one is Adam Bloomy. We need 1 to 9. 1 to 9, going 3 times. We rolled 10, 11, 12. Try this again, 10, 11, 12. Alright, box 7. 7. 4. And 4 and 7. 4 and 7. 1, 4 and 7. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright. So Adam, these 3 will be yours, which are box numbers 93. This sticker's on the left side. That sticker actually is on the right side. All the other ones are on the left. Am I doing something wrong? Anyway, 93. On the left side, 60 and 15. So those are yours, Adam. Actually, let me write a sticker. I don't have a pen. I'll do it later. Alright, I've got to ship 1 sealed. 1 on top, 6 on bottom. Third one down, shipped sealed. And that is box 35, Kevin Durant. 35. That there. And we'll take a peek at what's left over here. That will leave over box 99, 59, 95. This one doesn't have a sticker at all. 1 with no sticker on it at all. And 62. So a blank one. Alright. And that should do it for that preferred for right now. Here we go. BJbox. Number... Focus. Michael Jordan. 23. Sticker's supposed to be here. It's way over here. This is a fast package. 1 pack. 2 pack Shakur, 3 MCW and Victor Oladipo, pack number 1, or book number 1. Michael Carter, Victor Oladipo, jersey, jumbo jersey. There you go. Gonna be a lot of randoms today in the group break. I have a feeling. Here we go. Starting off with a redemption for John Wall. Panini's Choice Blue. You're my boy, Blue. Next, a red crown. This one is Ryan Kelly. Ryan Kelly. That one's numbered to 75. And the last one, purple crown. And this one is Chris Middleton. And that one is 10 of 25. Okie dokie. That'll do it. BJ, I'm not sure if you're in the group break or not, but if so, we'll do that here shortly. See you, bud.